Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use pattern color in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and you can see here I have a simple data. So to highlight your data in dashboard and any other report, you can use this pattern color. So let's see how it's used. Simply select the data, right click of the mouse and click on the format cell option. And here the format cells dialog box is open. Then click on the field tab. In field tab have a pattern style option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the pattern those you want. So I simply select the one pattern here, and you can see here the preview of the pattern. After that, just click on OK and you can see the pattern is applied. Now simply select again the data, right click of the mouse, click on the format cell and format cell dialog box, click on the field tab and here the option the pattern color. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the color those you want. So I simply select the one color, and you can see here in preview also the color showing. So just click on OK and that's it. You can see the pattern color is showing the difference. The data looks like different. So to highlight data, you can use this different pattern color in dashboard report, and that's it. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.